Jai Kumar, and ladies and gentlemen, I was really looking forward for this day. We need many more Jerry Raos in India who would do this type of housing. 350 square feet for a studio, 450 square feet one bedroom, and 560 or 40 for a two bedroom. And the price varies from about 4.5 lakhs to about 8 lakhs or so. I think India needs, urban India needs such type of projects, but in large numbers. The demand is for these types of projects. And I'm sure driving to this site and seeing the offices and the factories, the Biocon and Infosys and all the other factories on the way, the SKF, I'm sure, and the Electronic City being so close, if this gets enough publicity, I can assure you, Jerry, that you will sell out the entire project within 1 month. All the 1900 odd flats can be sold. I have known Jerry for almost 40 years now, and I've always followed his success and his career all these years. Even when he left us in India and he emigrated to United States for I think about 7, 8 years or so. And about 2 years ago when Jerry came to me and he said that he has this idea of setting up a value-based affordable housing project, I encouraged him, I supported him, I said you must go ahead, and knowing the successes he has achieved in his career up to now, I'm confident that he will do many more projects. Jerry was telling me that there are 2 projects in Bangalore, there is one in Chennai, and there is one in Rajasthan, but on the NCR area in North India, National Capital outside. The difficulty is we are not getting good plots of land or plots reasonable cost land in Mumbai and that part of Western India. But I think cities like Bangalore and Chennai also need these housing, and we have to get the state governments in Maharashtra interested and excited that such projects can be done successfully at a reasonable cost. As you know, in the real estate market today, and particularly this is true in places like Bombay and Delhi, when you buy a flat, they give you the square feet and the actual carpet area. Now the difference is 40%. 40% less you get, but you have to pay 40% more. And we've discussed this in the past, and I was glad to see that in these apartments, they are also mentioning what is the built-up area, what is the carpet area, what is the wall area. So you can calculate and measure, and it won't be different than what they are saying. So there's no just guesstimate that what is actual carpet area usage. I think this issue has been raised with the Government of India, with the Ministry of Housing. I have raised it with Maharashtra, that the developers in big cities must also put the carpet area and sell flats on carpet area, which you and I can have it measured and checked, and it won't differ from what the builder says. But super built up area and built up area gives a total wrong notion, and I think we need to get away from it, and it is one more method by the developers to try and make that extra buck. Anyway, Jerry, all the very best to you, and thank you for inviting us, and we at HDFC are looking forward to be of service to the 2,000 individuals who are going to purchase these flats. Thank you.